guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have some new hair to review for you, and this is from bfae.com, and I have some really beautiful Brazilian bundles to review for you. But first off, I'm going to go ahead and show you my closure piece, as I've already opened it and taken a look at this bad boy, and it is gorgeous. And this is what the frontal looks like. It is very dense, and I like that. I like for my frontals to have a lot of hair in them, because ain't nobody got time to be having a thin frontal. Very, very nice, very beautiful. And I love that the hairline has kind of a shape to it. It does have that wave-like shape along the lace there, along the front. So now all I have to do is start plucking to my liking. And I am going to pluck the hairline to make it look a little more realistic once I get it on my dome head, because I will be making a wig with this hair today. Really pretty. And this is natural black, and I have it in 20 inches. Alright, so let's go ahead and look at the bundle. I have 3 bundles. I have 2 26-inch bundles in natural black, and I have a 24. So I have 20-inch frontal, 2 26, a 24 in length in my bundles. So we're going to go ahead and look at the longest length, which is the natural black 26. I always like to start with the longest length, because the longer the bundles, the longer the hair, sometimes the thinner the bundle can be. So let's see if this is truly super thin. And no, this is a lot of hair in this bundle. So this is going to make for a beautiful wig. And I like the way the hair feels, and I love the way it flows. It just bounces. It's not stiff. It's really pretty. And there aren't any weird smells on the hair. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get into the wig making. Alright, as per usual, I will be using my favorite glue gun. This is just a glue gun that I picked up from Amazon. These are the glue sticks that I use. I use the Gorilla Glue sticks. These are really, really strong and good. I never have a problem with my tracks detaching from the cap. And this is the dome cap that I use, and I just picked this up at my local beauty supply store, and this is how the packaging looks. Now, I have ordered these from Amazon before, and they're almost like the same price as you'd pay for them in your beauty supply store. So if you order them from Amazon, they're usually like $4, between $3 and $4, and sometimes you can catch really good deals where they're 3 for $9.95, which is the equivalent to getting them in your local beauty supply store. So yes, this is the cap that I use, and being that I have a big head, I use the extra large dome cap to make sure that my wig is comfortable on my head. Alright, so I've completed my wig. Like I said, I did the hot glue gun method. I've already cut my lace, and I sewed in an elastic strap here for some extra security. So now I'm going to go ahead and kind of customize the hairline and tweeze apart. And I like to do that on my head instead of on the mannequin. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll be right back with my wig styled and on my head. Alright guys, so this is the final result. This is how my unit came out. I put some big loose waves in it and just gave it a vigorous shake, and this is how it came out. And I am loving the hair, and the hair holds curled really, really good. So I'm feeling it. Again, this is 26 24 and a 20-inch closure, and I love it. And I have an elastic band in the front, and I did some tweezing and clipping of some baby hairs around the front to give it a more realistic hairline. And I am loving this hair. OMG, this hair is so beautiful. I am loving the lengths. I just love the way it flows and the way it moves, and it is just gorgeous. Let me know what you think of this unit, guys. I will leave the links below to the company so that you can check out this hair. This hair is bomb.com. Now, I've been having this hair for a while. It's taken me a while to create this unit, but nonetheless, I'm here now, and this hair is beautiful. I am just like beating myself up for not rocking this sooner, but this is so pretty. Loving the lengths. Oh, this is pretty. Let me know what you think, guys. If this is Buffet Hair, buffet.com. Check them out, guys. They have all types of hair to choose from, and they're very affordable. Shipping's quick and hassle-free, so check them out. Ooh, I just can't stop touching it. Okay, I just need to keep my fingers out of it. Loving it. I think I did a good job with this. And I normally do not like working with frontals, but this was easy. And again, I used the hot glue gun method to create my unit. Let me know what you think, guys. I'm loving this hair. This hair is gorgeous. Gorgeous. Buffet.com. Bye, guys. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if not. Catch me also on my blog at makeupmisha.com as well, and follow me on Instagram if you're not following already. Alright, but surely subscribe, okay? Bye.